Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use Catia all command learn easily, and today learn this 5 point is deeply and clearly learn. So let's see what are the grid, snap to point, construction line, geometrical constraint, dimensional constraint. How to easily use in Catia. At first open Catia software. At first okay. At first Catia software open. Okay. And this is a Catia V5 software open, and this start point is right click. This is a start point and click Mechanical Design and a sketcher. Click here, and this new part is a okay. At first select a plane, any plane. Now this is our interface open, and now we will see a new create a sketch. At first select a plane before drawing. Any 2D design 2D drawing, at first select a plane before drawing, then select XY plane and okay, XY plane. This is a 4-point. See here, first is grid, second is snap to point, third is construction line, fourth is geometrical constraint, and fifth is dimensional constraint. Today this point explain deeply and clearly. First point is grid. This point is a fifth point today discuss here. Okay. First point is grid. Blue color is off, and this is a open. This colorful is a this color is on, and blue color is off. This point is off, this point is off, and this point is off, and 2 point is on. Grid point is on, then this point is see here, workspace see here, and any design created, and okay, this point draw line and draw, and double click here, remove. At first select a snap to point on. This is on, this is off, this is on. Then a profile line. This is select a line. Line is automatic. Select a point. Any design is created very difficult, but easily, therefore already snap to point is on off, then easily design create anywhere anytime. But snap to point is on, then very difficult to design create any design. Already is this point is off. Okay, and this point is already off, then workspace is see here, and any design easily created, and double click here, remove. And this point is construction line. Construction line means off, this is on, then all point is construction, and any line created, then construction line, and this point is off, any line is drawing a line. Okay, and this point is on, any line is a construction line. Okay, is it already this point is off. Off means line drawing. Okay, and 2 point is very important this time. First is geometrical constraint, and second is dimension. Okay, this 2 point is already on and always on. Geometrical constant is on this relation vertical, perpendicular, horizontal, see here, and therefore so this is of any line created. Okay, this is a line, horizontal line. Okay, horizontal, not so horizontal, but this point is on, this point is a horizontal, but this point is a horizontal, this is a horizontal, this h is so here, but not each is so here. This is a geometrical constraint, all dimension, all vertical, parallel, coincident, horizontal, all line so here, but this is of not so any relation. This is a on, all always on, or this point is of any line created. Okay, this is a dimensional constraint. Okay, 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 2 points is always on, and okay, 2 points is always on, dimensional constant and geometrical constant is always on, and 3 point is off, no problem, design is created. Okay guys, 4 point today discuss here. lecture Catia lecture 3rd is coming soon. Don't forget subscribe, like, share this channel, and subscribe this channel. Information coming soon. Okay guys, thank you.